Hi guys! Welcome to my class. There are a lot of math magic that you should know, and I am going to share it with you. Please subscribe so that you can be notified on the next math magic. Then like and share so that you can help other students. But before we proceed to the magical multiplication table, let me ask you this question. Are you a coffee drinker? You need to if in case you are not. But if the doctor told you not to drink coffee, then you need to follow your doctor. I recommend coffee because it is an excellent source of antioxidants, which may help protect cells from damage. But for some people, it is a stimulant that disrupts sleeps. So, if it is disrupting your sleep, don't take it. Now, let us move to the magic table of 6. As you can see from the table, 6 times 1 is equal to 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24, and 6 times 5 is 30. Now, let us pull out the values of tens to the right as you can see. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. The 1 is double. Next, let us pull out the ones starting from the 2. Next, the 4, as if you are counting by 2s. 2, 4. Then the 6, and let us move it farther to the right. After the 6 is 8. And then it's 10. So we will move out the 30 farther to the right also. Now guys, if you are going to count by 2s, you can see that it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then always remember the placement of the 10 values. It is 1, 2, 0, 1, 3. Now I want you to notice the placement of the segment with an arrow. Okay guys, can you remember it? 12, 24, 6, 18, 30. If you want to remember it easily, you can skip count by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Now guys, let us try the finger math. I want you to put number 6 on the pinky, 7 on the ring finger, 8 on the middle finger, 9 on the point finger, and 10 on your thumb. Let us work on 6 times 6. I want you to connect your pinky. That is 6 times 6. Now, here is the strategy. From the connection of the finger, it will count by 10. So, 6 and 6 was connected. It is counted as 10 and 10. So, the total is 20. Then, the fingers above the connection will be counted as 1 each. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the left and 1, 2, 3, 4 from the right. Then, we are going to multiply these fingers above the connection. So, it is 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Then, we are going to add the product of the fingers above the connection, which is 16, to the fingers from the connection and below, which is 20. Therefore, 20 plus 16 is equal to 36. Let us move to 6 times 7. Connect the pinky and the ring finger. So, it is 6 times 7. Now, let us count all the fingers from the connection and below, which is 10 each. So, it is 10, 20, 30. The finger from the connection and below is 30. Let us count all the fingers above the connection. From the left, it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And from the right, it is 1, 2, and 3. So, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Let us add the 30 and the 12. It will give us 42. So, 6 times 7 is 42. Let us work on 6 times 8. So let us connect the pinky and the middle finger. This will give us 6 times 8. The fingers from the connection and below will count 10 each. So it is 10, 20, 30, 40. And the fingers above the connection will count as 1 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left and 1, 2 on the right. So 4 times 2 is 8. Now let us add the 40 and the 8, which will give us 48. So 6 times 8 is 48. Let us work on 6 times 9. Connect the pinky and the point finger. This will give us 6 times 9. As I told you, from the connection and below, it will count 10 each. So it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then the fingers above the connection. From the left, it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And from the right, it is 1. So 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Now let us add it to the 50. 50 plus 4 is 54. Therefore, 6 times 9 is 54. It is easy, right? Just remember the strategy. From the connection and below, the fingers will count 10 each. And the fingers above the connection will count 1 each. And you're going to multiply the number of the fingers on the left to the number of the fingers on the right. Now, let us move to 6 times 10. Connect the pinky and your thumb. It will give you 6 times 10. As I told you, from the connection and below, the fingers will count 10 each. So, it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And the fingers above the connection, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left, and we do not have anything on the right. So it is 4 times 0. Therefore, 6 times 10 is equal to 60. Now, I would like to ask you, when is the best time to drink coffee? As for me, I am taking coffee early in the morning, as soon as I get up. But I am not taking the best benefit that I can get from it. So, I have learned that the best time to drink coffee is between 10 a.m. and noon. And then, if you want to take again in the afternoon, it must be between 2 p.m. up to 5 p.m. so that you can get the best benefit from it. I want you guys to score high in math. Then, be wise and healthy. You can be healthy from some small tips that I can give you here for health. And you can be wise from the math magic. Okay guys, till next math magic. Bye-bye!